Ever wondered why your jewelry doesn't sparkle like it used to? Well, let's delve into that. Jewelry, much like anything else we treasure, requires regular care and cleaning to maintain its shine and value. Imagine it as a beautiful, radiant star. Without proper upkeep, that star can lose its shine, becoming dull and lackluster. So, what are the common culprits behind this loss of luster? Body oils, sweat, cosmetics, and dirt are often to blame. These elements can build up over time, creating a layer of grime that dims the sparkle of your precious pieces. This is especially true for pieces that are worn daily, like wedding rings or favorite necklaces. The good news is, with regular cleaning and care, you can combat these effects. By taking a few proactive steps, you can ensure your jewelry continues to shine brightly, just as it was meant to. To keep your precious pieces looking their best, regular cleaning and care is a must. Gold jewelry, a classic favorite, needs your attention too. To keep it gleaming and gorgeous, follow these simple steps. First, fill a bowl with warm water. Remember, it shouldn't be hot, just comfortably warm. Next, add a few drops of mild dish soap. Here's a friendly reminder. Harsh chemicals can damage your precious pieces, so always opt for a gentle soap. Now, let's move on to the actual cleaning. Take a soft toothbrush, dunk it into your soapy solution, and gently brush your gold jewelry. Be careful not to scrub too hard, as gold can be quite soft and susceptible to scratches. Pay special attention to crevices and intricate designs where dirt may hide. Once you're satisfied with the cleaning, rinse the jewelry thoroughly under warm running water. Make sure to remove all soap residues to avoid any potential dullness. Pat dry with a soft cloth and voila! Properly cleaned gold jewelry will continue to shine and add that touch of elegance to your style. Silver jewelry, with its cool luster, can be tricky to maintain. But fret not, here's a simple guide to help you out. First, you'll need a special silver cleaning cloth. This isn't your average cloth. It's designed specifically for silver and usually has two layers, one to clean and another to polish. Start by using the cleaning layer, gently wiping your silver jewelry to remove any dirt or oils. Next, switch to the polishing layer to bring out that cool shine we all love. Remember, always rub along the grain of the silver, not in circular motions. This helps to avoid scratches. And let's not forget about storage. Silver is prone to tarnishing, especially when exposed to air and light. So, consider storing your silver pieces in airtight bags or jewelry boxes lined with anti-tarnish cloth. With these tips, your silver jewelry will always be ready to make a statement. Gemstones add a burst of color to your jewelry, but they require special care. Each gemstone comes with its own set of rules when it comes to cleaning. However, a common cleaning method that works for most is the gentle use of soapy water and a soft cloth. Start by filling a bowl with warm water and adding a few drops of mild dish soap. Place your gemstone jewelry in the bowl, allowing it to soak for about 20 minutes. This helps to loosen any dirt or oils that might have accumulated. Next, use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently wipe the gemstone. For crevices and hard-to-reach areas, a soft toothbrush can come in handy. Remember, some gemstones are more delicate than others. For example, opals and pearls are sensitive to water and harsh chemicals, so they should only be cleaned with a dry cloth. Rinse your jewelry with warm water and pat dry. Properly cared for, gemstone jewelry will continue to dazzle and impress. Pearls, with their delicate beauty, need extra care. Pearls are organic gemstones that are highly susceptible to damage, so it's essential to handle them gently. Let's learn how to clean pearl jewelry. Step 1. Gently wipe your pearls with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dirt or residue. Never use a coarse cloth, as it can scratch the pearl's surface. Step 2. If your pearls are visibly dirty, dampen the cloth with a bit of warm water. Avoid soaking your pearls, as this can weaken the string. Step 3. Never expose your pearls to heat or harsh chemicals. These can damage the nacre, the iridescent layer that gives the pearl its unique glow. Step 4. Always store your pearls separately to prevent them from scratching against other jewelry. A soft pouch or a separate compartment in your jewelry box would work perfectly. With proper care, your pearls will retain their luster and elegance. Taking care of your jewelry ensures it maintains its beauty and value. This is a point we've emphasized time and time again throughout this video, and it's definitely worth repeating. We've journeyed through a myriad of ways to clean and care for your precious pieces, and it's clear that each type of jewelry requires its own unique approach to keep it at its sparkling best. It's not just about making it look good for the moment, but about preserving its splendor for the long haul. The gold in your collection, with its timeless allure, calls for a gentle touch. A little dish soap, warm water, and a soft bristled toothbrush can work wonders to restore its glow. But remember, it's not just about cleaning. It's also about avoiding exposure to harsh chemicals and abrasive materials that could tarnish its shine. Your silver pieces, on the other hand, require a different method. A baking soda and water paste may be all you need to remove tarnish and restore its luster. But like gold, silver is also susceptible to damage from harsh substances and needs to be handled with care. Then there's gemstone jewelry, each stone with its unique hardness and characteristics requiring tailored cleaning methods. From using mild dish soap for hard gemstones like diamonds and rubies, to avoiding water altogether for softer ones like opals and pearls, it's essential to know the nature of your gem before you begin the cleaning process. Speaking of pearls, these delicate beauties require the utmost care. A soft, damp cloth is all you need to clean them. And remember, they should always be the last thing you put on and the first thing you take off to avoid contact with harmful substances found in cosmetics and perfumes. And finally, the way you store your jewelry is just as important as how you clean it. Keep each piece separate to avoid scratches and damage, and store them in a cool, dry place. Remember, your jewelry is not just an accessory, but an investment. Keep it clean and cared for, and it will continue to shine for years to come.